As mentioned in the introduction, on lane number 4 we have last year's winner of the Junior Championship, Tegel from Estonia. Showing really strong swimming also this morning, and here after 50 meters, comfortably in front, split time of 24:29. Judging from his strokes, it doesn't seem like he's been giving all his effort in the first 100 meters. Still great technique. Turning here comfortably in the first place. Split time of 26:48. I don't think there'll be any doubt about who this year's junior champion will be. Tegel in lane number 4, still comfortably in front. Second at the moment is Miguel Delgo.